Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Ford Focus Active X Estate. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 57 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 23,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. This particular colour is the frozen white and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. The seats there on the front are heated on the driver's side and also electric. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car has the digital display there for the cockpit, and then also cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. And then being the Active X, you also have the glass opening roof as well, so that'd be ideal for the summer. As we open the rear doors, a nice wide door opening there, good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts as well. And as we open the tailgate, being the estate, you've got the really good sized boot there, which goes back a long way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have some extra storage underneath the boot floor, which is just there. And below that, you also have a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.